Sa video na to, turuan ko kayo kung paano magbasa ng currency pairs. Kung beginner ka sa Forex, then this video is for you. So, currency pairs, kung makikita nyo dito, these are the giant currencies in Forex. Familiar ba kayo sa 8 flags na yan? Nandyan si USA, si Japan, si Switzerland, si Canada, si Australia, si London or United Kingdom, si New Zealand, ayan. So, a currency pair is a set of 2 different currencies that are traded together in the Forex market. So, kapag nagtitrade po tayo kay Forex market, dalawa po agad na, pair agad yung tinitrade natin. Kasi pag binay natin yung isa, sinesell natin yung isa. Kapag sinell natin yung isa, binabay natin yung isa. Laging ganun. Kaya they are traded in pairs. So, these pairs represent the exchange rate between 2 currencies. So, in a currency pair, one currency is referred to as the base currency and the other is called the quote or counter currency. So, meron pong 2 parts ang currency pairs, yung base tsaka si quote or counter. So, ito po siya. Halimbawa, nagtitrade tayo